P's income has increased by 10% over last year and will be 20% higher next year. If his last year's income is rupees 7,000 per month, what will it be the next year? Now, as we are having percentage increases, that is percentage changes, we will have to use our traditional formula, that is new value is equal to old value multiplied by multiplier. Now, because the salary is increasing two times, there will be two multipliers, M1 and M2. Now, the old salary was 7,000. We have to find out the new salary. Let's assume it as X. Now, the salary is increasing, so the multiplier will be 1 plus fraction equivalent of 10 percentage, that is 1 by 10. And next year it is increasing by 20%, so 1 plus 2 by 10. Now, let's solve this. This becomes 7,000 into 11 by 10 into 12 by 10. So we can cancel out the zeros. So if we multiply this, the answer comes out to be 9240. That's your answer.